My role is narrower but essential. I'll place before this forum the operating record of the treaty, what the treaty requires, what Pakistan has done, and what happens when the routine channels are blocked. This is where the principle meets the practice. Next, please. For Pakistan, this is national security, not merely the hydrology. Flow predictability is not, ladies and gentlemen, a luxury of planning. It is part of the survival architecture of the state. When the lives and livelihoods of 240 million people are tied to the Indus Basin, when more than 80% of the arable land depends on these waters, which constitutes around 45 million acres of land, which is being irrigated by the canal waters, and that is a promise the state makes with the farmers. When agriculture contributes almost a quarter of GDP and 1/3 of the employment, water uncertainty becomes the national uncertainty.